Hello everyone. I'm Nikki. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the best setting powders. I have always used the Laura Mercier translucent loose setting powder, which has a special place in my heart. I love this powder. Recently I decided to try the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder in the yellow shade Blondie. I wanted to experiment with yellow powder, especially for under eye baking. This is the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder in the mini version. The packaging features a square tip container with a cap that you pull up on one side, twist and turn to open it. The lid has an attached round puff. However, I might not use the puff because it does not reach every corner of the face. When you open it, you will find holes that allow you to dispense the powder into the space provided. Now let's look at the texture of the powder. It's incredibly smooth and finely milled with good pigmentation. I bought it in the shade Blondie and you can see the yellow hue here. Next, let's talk about the Laura Mercier translucent loose setting powder, an OG favorite. This powder comes in a beautiful round shaped container. When you open it, you will find holes that allow you to dispense the powder into the space provided. I personally like to use the setting powders with a brush for baking or setting my makeup. The Laura Mercier powder is translucent, offering a nice natural shade. Its texture is smooth and finely milled, making it perfect for achieving a flawless finish. Talking about the Huda Beauty powder in the shade Blondie, the Blondie shade worked well for my under eyes as it didn't create any grayness. However, I found that the banana bread shade might be a better option for setting both the face and eyes. For those with medium olive skin tones, setting the entire face with Blondie can be challenging. Though it's fine for the under eye area, it's essential to match the concealer shade correctly to achieve a good look. Overall, while Blondie is great for specific areas, the shade Banana Bread offers more versatility. In conclusion, both the Huda Beauty and Laura Mercier are outstanding choices with excellent ingredients. Laura Mercier offers a slightly brighter finish and marginally better oil control and longevity. However, the Huda Beauty powder is also an excellent option, particularly for its seamless blend and blurred finish. I hope this comparison helps you in making your decision. Thank you and goodbye.